What's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all keeping well. So you guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you how I created this look over here. Of course, mainly the eyes, because that's the focus of today's video. And for that I've used this palette here from Makeup Revolution, which is this one right here. It's their Integrity Wild Animal palette, and yeah, so beautiful colors in here. And I've been loving, playing with this palette off camera as well. So I decided to create this look for you guys. It's, it's a look that I have created, off camera before, and I really wanted to share that with you. So yeah, we're going to be using this palette over here to create this stunning, gorgeous eye look. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, of course, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to begin by priming the eyelids using Makeup Revolution, which is the cut crease canvas, this one here, so that we prep the eyes for the eyeshadows. Like that much, and then just blend all that, blend everything. I'm actually going to use this one here. So it is time to apply some eyeshadows, of course, and I'm going to begin by taking this color over here. Now this one is a beautiful blue shimmer shade, which is this one right here. Let me quickly, just give it a swatch in case you guys haven't seen it. And that is how this color looks like. It's a beautiful, gorgeous shimmer blue shade that I really like. So yeah, let me just get rid of that on my hand here, because otherwise that will end up on my clothes, as I always do. All right, so taking that color, and I am going to pack this one just around this area here. You can already see just by that first layer that we have quite a lot of pigmentation coming through there, and this color looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I did not dip twice the brush, that's just the first one, and look how pigmented that looks. Now that's gorgeous. I'm going to go second time back to the pan and just add a bit more. I'm going to bring this color just a little bit here. Like that. So we have, like a tail going on here. Now, what I'm going to do is take this light blue shade. This one is a matte shade. Hold on, just show you guys this one right here. Now this is a matte blue shade. Quickly swatch that. Yeah, it looks like that. That's a matte one. And this one, it's going to go just above. Oh, I just closed the palette. It's going to go just above the first blue, that first shimmer blue that I applied. So of course using a different brush, like that. You can see, it's not too deep compared to the first one. You can still see the difference between this side and this side, of course, and that's how I want this to, this to look. Something like that, and then just dragging that towards the tail of my brow. Come on here, you are always on my way. Can we please focus? Thank you very much. And that is how those two colors looks like on the eyes. Now I'm going to take this one right here, this color here, and applying that on the eyelid, of course. Now this is a stunning, like a champagne kind of color. See how pretty that looks. So that will go right on the eyelid, and I'm going to use my finger for this one here, just to tap it around this area. Oh, you can see already how that looks like. Stunning. So the idea is to just focus this one in the middle. I know I always, you know, end up taking this color like everywhere, but no, this will be just around this area here. Hi color, hello, hi. And of course, now that the top eyes are all done, I'm going to move on to the bottom one, and I'm going to take this color here, which is of course the one that we've used before, this one right here, and just start blending that. This is the only shade I'm going to use. I'm not going to use the other one, the shimmer one. I'm just going to stick with the matte. And here you can really take your time to make sure that, you know, this area is beautifully blended and everything is, you know, looking good. And for the inner corners, you guys, I'm going to take this shade right here. Just quickly swatch that again for you guys so you can see. What I'm going to do now is just quickly go off camera, complete, you know, the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. And here we have the complete look, you guys. So this is how the face looks like. Alright you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this eye look over here using the Makeup Revolution Integrity Wild Animal palette, which is of course this one here. And let me know if you guys want to see any other looks in this palette or any other looks in, you know, any of my other palettes. Let me know down below, because I can definitely create those. And this palette here has so many, you know, other beautiful shades, as you can see there. So I have used this off camera many times, and I created different looks which I love. So yeah, today I shared this one with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already, and ring your bell so you're notified every time I upload a new exciting video. Anywho, thanks so much for watching today's video. Lots of love, you guys. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall catch you on my next one. Bye for now.